Have you ever cut your finger? Did you notice that it bleeds immediately? The bleeding just isn't bigger because your blood clots, preventing a hemorrhage. However, clotting can be good or even dangerous in certain situations, like thrombosis. For a healthy lifestyle, our eating habits are crucial, right? Depending on some factors, our care with our diet must be doubled. For example, if you suffer from thrombosis, a clot that blocks blood flow, your diet should be anticoagulant, with foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and lots of water. Check out these 9 foods that can be added to your diet to prevent coagulation issues like varicose veins and thrombosis. Garlic, widely used in culinary. Garlic is a flavorful seasoning and highly beneficial source of vitamin C and B6, fiber, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, manganese, and other important nutrients. But what many people don't know is that garlic is also anticoagulant. It contains allicin and ajoine, substances that block the aggregation of blood platelets, avoiding clots. Isn't it interesting? Onion. Like garlic, onions flavor recipes and offer essential nutrients like B-complex vitamins, C, antioxidants, and minerals. But did you know that onions also work as a natural anticoagulant? Because of the adenosine found in its composition, onion can stop the platelet aggregation, preventing clot formation. Fish. Did you know that adding fish to your daily diet is super important? They are a source of proteins, omega-3, folic acid, and other essential nutrients. The ideal is to vary the fish you eat: salmon, tuna, sardine, mackerel, trout, and anchovy. The fatty acid omega-3 helps thin the blood and prevent cardiovascular diseases. Whole grape juice and red wine. The flavonoids, phenolic acid, and resveratrol found in the skin and seeds of grapes are antioxidants with cardioprotective effect, which inhibits platelet aggregation and thrombosis. Besides, consuming it every day reduces the chances of obstruction in blood vessels and plasmatic lipids, unclogging the arteries. Even so, we can't exaggerate, since grape juice, although it has a lot of benefits, is also highly caloric. The recommended dose is 1 or 2 glasses of 6.75 ounces a day. Drinking a glass of wine per day is also a way of enjoying the anticoagulant properties, since the beverage is also efficient to thin blood and prevents clogged arteries. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper has positive characteristics and stimulates the blood flow, preventing blood clots that cause heart attacks and strokes. Olive oil. Did you know that olive oil also acts as an anticoagulant? It is a source of polyphenols that act as antioxidants and inhibit the formation of blood clots. Use olive oil to season your salads, vegetables, pizza, and other recipes of your daily routine. Green tea, also known as bancha. It is a depurative tea, which means it helps cleanse the blood. Green tea stimulates digestion and eliminates toxins by increasing diuresis, which improves circulation and reduces swelling. Turmeric. Turmeric is an Asian spice that offers many benefits to our bodies. It aids in digestion, lowers bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and acts as an anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is also an anticoagulant since it is a source of curcumin, the substance that prevents platelet aggregation and the formation of blood clots. If you suffer from thrombosis or blood clotting disorders, use turmeric to season your fish, meats, stews, and other recipes you eat in your daily routine. Turmeric lends more flavor and color to your dishes. It is worth trying. Cinnamon, an old spice with high nutritional value. Cinnamon is another anticoagulant food that deserves to be highlighted. It contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound that prevents platelet aggregation and the formation of blood clots. Cinnamon is also a natural thermogenic, boosting the metabolism, aids in digestion, and fights infections. Did you like learning about these foods that can help you with the formation of blood clots? Remember that in cases of serious diseases such as thrombosis, you must be followed by a doctor and use the prescribed medicines. Your diet in this case will be an ally and make a lot of difference. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.